Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable your gaming mode in the Oppo A16. To do this operation, go down and search for Game Space application here. As you see, I don't have any games right now, but you can add the game if you install some on it. When you add the game, you can make performance about your phone. So there is balanced mode, you can pro game mode, and low power mode. If you have some Tetris, you should take the low power mode. If you have some PUBG or something 3D game, you should pick up the pro gamer mode. You can set up the brightness lock if you want some instant lighting on the LCD. You can block notification when you play, and you can reject calls if you want to play without any notification. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!